Christmas! It's Christmas! It's Christmas, everybody! It's Christmas! Come on, let's go! Christmas time, what a jolly time. Let's go, Snoopy! Oh, wow! That's a lot of presents! It's gonna take a long time to go through all those. Even with all 5 of us, that's gonna take a while. Oh boy, but we have all day. We're off for the holidays, so it's all good. So I think we'll be fine. Come on, let's go. What gift should I open first? Wait, maybe I should wait for them. Okay, I'll just sit here and be on my phone. Huh, it's 7. How come they're not here? I gave them plenty of time. I guess I'll just get going. All right, let's open this one. Wonder what's in here. What the heck? This is taking too long. Who wrapped this? This is taking forever. Huh. I have an idea. Guess where I left it. All right. What's that noise? What is that? Coming from downstairs. What's that noise? No, it's coming from downstairs. Let's go and check. Let's go. It's coming from downstairs. Really? Were you making noise? Oh my God! What are you doing? Huh? It was taking too long. So I thought it was going to be faster, but it's not working so well. Well, I guess it's Christmas. We can spend it together as a family. I guess so. All right, let's get at it.
Okay. Who's gonna start?
Open this one.
All right.
Who's gonna start?
I hope you enjoyed the little intro I did. It was a lot of fun. Now we're gonna get into the presents. We're doing it on the 24th because she has work and stuff like that. So we'll start with the youngest, Alex. Go.
Alex,
Wait, move this. Open this
Oh,
one.
okay. They want me to get this out of the way. Goodness, bro. Oh my God, it's a bench. Who would have thought? But it's not actually a bench. This is not the bench I actually bought. The stuff I bought was supposed to come in before Christmas, but they didn't.
It represents what you're gonna get in a couple of months.
Exactly. It's coming in January something. So here. So we got a Smith machine with like cable attachments. So it's basically a cable machine and stuff like that with like actual weights and stuff like that. And then a bench, adjustable weights to go to like 70 pounds. And then 700 pounds of bumper plates. And yeah.
It's gonna be from me to you. This is my present to you, Alex. I thought you guys were gonna get him a trampoline. So I got him that for his supposed trampoline, and I also got him that. Show it, Alex.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Alex.
And then that one too.
Luego siguen la cocina. Alex, show it to the camera like this. Okay.
No, this is for my dad.
Okay. Yay.
There's no order in which we're doing it.
Wait,
He's just
no.
giving away all his gifts that he got for people
I have to make
and stuff
story.
like that.
This is what the dry oranges are for.
Yeah, thank you. Am I in the shop?
Yeah, you're in the shop. It's okay.
Florence is my favorite.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Who got me this? Thank you.
It's
Yeah,
Fernando.
okay.
Fernando's giving away all his presents right now.
Okay, I thought it was gonna be more of a brown and you would look like
No,
a
I-
fruit,
it's fine.
but
Qué padre está. Está muy bonita.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, la que quería. Wow.
Sí, para la cámara. Ahí está. Espérate.
Viene el jabón,
Ahí está.
viene la loción, viene para los labios, viene la...
Oh wow, it's mine here. Well, you're gonna like this style. He did a lot of stuff. Like he did this, which is fern, and then he did oranges and stuff like that. And it's pretty fancy. I don't know why he went so fancy for it. But as you'll see, I also went fancy. I already know what this is, so I don't.
really?
Yeah, because I told you, because you asked me what to get, and then I told you exactly what to get. Thank you.
¿Qué?
Ta-da!
¿Qué? Alexa.
It's a computer for your bicycle. So it records your
Let me see.
it records your
Wow,
so
puro
it records your like mileage and like how much miles there's on your bike and stuff like that. It's good because my watch doesn't record for that many hours. So when I do like over 200 miles,
Yeah.
it'll record that.
Hey, Guppy, this is for you, Papa. This is for you, Fernando, but it's for you.
He doesn't.
Look at this.
You like it?
What's that?
Oh, Lord, he's dragging his
Eh?
tail.
Yeah.
Now that Fernando's presents are out of the way, we're just gonna go with like the youngest to oldest and stuff like that. So go, Alex. This is yours. This is yours. This is yours.
Porque Santa llega muy bien. Todo eso para Alex.
Oh no, you dropped it. Just open them, Alex. Santa came early this year, okay? You remember of COVID? He had to come early.
Wow.
Come on, Snoopy.
Oh, here comes chaos.
Está feliz con su
What is it, Alex? Oh, it's a gumbo machine. What does it say, Alex? It says from your girlfriend.
No.
Here.
Ándale.
Wow. Snoopy,
Ándale.
stop.
Do you like it, Alex?
Oh, wow.
¿Te gusta, hijo?
Sí, gracias. Wow. ¿Y esto qué?
Ay, lo andaba buscando.
Gracias.
That means thank you in Spanish.
Thank you, thank you.
And like that, it's clean. Huh? Pretty clean.
This is for Fernando.
Gracias.
De nada.
Alex, you got. Are you at Louis bought that activity that you gotta start working out too.
Oh, wow.
You and I are gonna work out. And,
It's a JBL speaker I wanted.
I told you she got it for you.
It's,
We were
Sabía que eran todos los regalos.
we were putting things around the tree to make it pretty, and I grabbed it and I'm like, that's pretty heavy and it has his name in it, so I just said it was the JBL speaker.
Te lo regaló tu papá de mi
Mira. Mira, Snoopy. Sí.
Wait, ¿y este es el Fernando
Ay, este es Fernando. Ábrelos al mismo tiempo.
yeah, open at the same time.
He's right here.
I'm opening mine.
Okay, ready, go. So we were told to open it at the same time
¿Te gustaron sus
and
regalos?
stuff like that. Out of the
¿Sí o
shop.
no?
Glasses? What? Oh, wow.
Whoa, what the frick?
What is it?
Don't curse, I'm trying to get monetized. There's speakers built into glasses.
Really? Wow, those are really cool.
That's really cool.
Oh,
Dude.
wow.
Ready, Fernando? Catch. That's another one for Fernando.
Oh, wow. Happy Santa. Wow.
I see he's opening that. I thought I was gonna be the one with the most gifts, but it looks like me and Fernando are tied.
I
So
don't think so.
I don't think so either, because there's a lot of gifts that hasn't come in for either of us. So who knows?
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Gracias.
Okay.
a tote bag.
Wait.
Alex!
Okay, so we're creating chaos here, and we're just going with whatever we see. So this is for my dad. Yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
Oh my god.
What is
It's earphones.
it?
No, seriously? You got this on the NEX, right? When I got those things, I was thinking about getting earphones. Thank you.
Yeah.
Because I hate those big ones that have.
Oh, you got Sony's?
Oh, wow.
Yo, Sony's are really good. At the gym, at the house, he has earphones to wear. But we have a home gym now, so it doesn't matter if we have headphones or not, because we can just blast music with the speaker. So there's this one that came in today, and I didn't have time to wrap it, so I just like put bundles on it. So,
Entonces aquí
you
está
see?
muy grande porque está viendo
Here.
videos en cómo son. Pero
they're
está
rain
perfecto.
pants for riding, and I have really big thighs, so we went with like a large, and these are like super large on me, but I really don't care, because you know, it's gonna be rainy and this is just gonna protect me, and that's all that matters. Yes, I won't be aero, but it's good. I like it. I like it a lot. Can you see me well? I don't know.
Me gustó.
Everybody went extra hard with their wrapping, and I just didn't. So that's okay. Why is everybody getting speakers?
It looks good. What is that?
I don't even know. Wait, is this for our car? What the heck?
What is that?
I don't even know. I don't even know how I'm gonna install this.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh,
That's
wow.
crazy. I'll have to Google how to install this. And so that because I am not
It's
paying.
a direct fix to your car, so.
Is it?
And I have all the hardware.
I'm sweet.
super cool.
So
Wait,
I'm
let
not
me
gonna pay for anyone to do it because I'm just gonna do it myself. Alright. Next.
Well, come and open it.
Ah, ya sé cuál es este. Yo me lo regalé por uno.
What's that?
It's my.
This one
It's
is
real. No. It's the wrong franchise.
It's the one.
It's a Disneyland popcorn bucket.
You put popcorn in there?
Yeah, but it's just for decoration, honestly. Like you could take it to the parks, but I wouldn't.
Alright, open it, Alejandro.
Ándale.
It's a t-shirt.
You like it?
So I feel like I wasn't doing so good with the wrapping, so I made a boat out of it, and here you go. Choop. Ha! It's double wrapped.
Oh, wow. This is like really badass.
Ay, qué padres. Wow, qué bonito.
Pásalo. Oh.
Oh, wow, un collar. Qué bonito, hijo.
Ah,
Muchas gracias.
See? It has 3 rings because there's 3 suns. Wow.
Let's see. Another Robux. Oh, wow, another one.
I have this gift already because it's cold out and I need to stay warm. And they're just gloves, leggings, and then a t-shirt, I think. And then everything else that is warm. That's for warm weather. Is in here. So just, oh, I should have kept this out. It would have been good. This was a free gift that came with it and stuff like that. It's really good quality. And then, oh, the shirt's still here. But then I have everything else in my my room, and it's like leggings, shorts, and all that stuff. And yep. And then while we're at it, I got a gift card for Dick's Sporting Goods. All right. So, okay, I'm just here, so we got open everything else. I'll open this one because this is funny. Can you see what it says? It
What
says
is
from Mango to Arnold.
Arnold.
Arnold
to Mango from our home.
Yeah.
Ay,
All right. I put it in this detox box because it's funny. All right. And then they're packaged carefully because these things are expensive.
No, hijo, eso no.
So they're fat loss solutions,
No puedes tomar eso.
and they help you lose weight. And
Como desde la cámara.
yeah, keep going here with me. 'Cause
I thought you let her gift already.
It's
I don't know. Well, I'm just going with me because I know exactly where all my gifts are, and then we
Yeah, that
can
would be
narrow down where everybody else's gifts are because we forgot to label them. You know, these is not labeled, but I know it's fine. Oh, what the heck? Look, it's a Tommy Hilfiger. I don't know what's in this. I kind of wrapped a lot of my presents. Oh, haha. Oh, dang. Oh, I messed up the joke. I forgot about it, and I totally messed up the joke. You're supposed to like open this from up there, and then be like, oh no, where are their sunglasses? And then the camera would pan back to me, and then the sunglasses would be in my head, but they're in my car. I would go get them. You know what? I'm gonna go get them. Oh, okay. So, oh, the cricket. There we go. Pit vipers. Okay. I'm just gonna keep going real fast. I think this is mine. Okay. Yeah, this is mine. Cause I bought it for myself. If they're gonna buy me anything for Christmas, so I bought myself a lot of things. So, boom. Okay. Okay. I've been using them for like the past month. Oh, heck yeah. Why is this? Oh, I'm sweating. I'm hot. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah. Okay. So they don't come in sweet, where is it? They don't come in sweet ass boxes like these. Like the head, like these. But, oh god.
Where's the shaking rate?
I don't know. But, I look good as shit. That's fast as possible.
¿Y ese qué es?
Boom, shoelaces.
Oh.
Shoelaces, they're cool. I'll show you later. Boom, boom. Oh, there's more here.
Another shoelaces.
They're shoelaces, you know what I'm talking about. Just gotta go through all my stuff so I don't take time from other people. Oh.
Okay.
Okay,
ahí
I
va.
think that's everything. Vete.
Va.
This is my gift to you, mother.
Oh, wow. Wow, qué padres. ¿De qué es eso?
The Pit Vipers.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Fútbol. Alex. De... Alex, ¿qué otra cosa? Toys. Another robot.
Here you go.
This for me?
That's mine. I don't know who that's from.
Get the one.
Oh, hell yeah. Is it coffee?
No. It's about coffee.
That's a coffee one.
Wow.
Yeah, I needed one.
Con los muchachos de ahí del centro.
It's a mess. It's a mess. But it was a success. Alright, that's it. Bye. Oh, here's a blooper of the
Merry Christmas.
intro. Okay. Here we